My name is Danesh. I'm a research analyst at Jeffrey Sachs Center. Today I would like to introduce you the project that I have led before that is called SDGs for Malaysian States. The SDGs for Malaysian States, or also known as SDG dashboard, started as an idea in April 2020. The project officially started with the team in October 2020. The project concluded with the formal launch in May 2022. The intention of this project is to create an SDG level assessment at the states so that future academics, policymakers, students, and the general public is able to understand what Malaysian states are doing well and not doing well. The SDGs for Malaysian states uses the UN SDSN methodology that measures SDG performance of countries for every year via the Sustainable Development Report. What we have done is we make an assessment using the indicators found in the United Nations official indicator list, the 247 indicators, and also the indicators used in the Sustainable Development Report. And out of this assessment, the three forms of measurements is cost, ratings, and trends. All these measurements points to whether the state for the particular indicator or at the goal level has attained the SDGs or have not attained the SDGs, and more importantly, by 2030, can the state attain or retain the SDG achievement or not to be the case. One of the clearest examples of how the website is used is for the Sunway students who want to understand the SDGs. For one of the general study subjects that is offered in Sunway University, there is a focus about sustainable development. In order to contextualize a sustainable development, this particular website behaves like a resource for students who would like to pinpoint certain SDG issues in the Malaysian context. For the researchers, we found out that this particular website is to facilitate and deepen the knowledge of researchers on a particular SDGs. As a matter of fact, the contents, the written contents to be specific, are written by many academics and researchers of various institutions that is associated with SDSN Malaysia. So they have received indirect knowledge about where we stand in terms of SDG performance. So let's say we take the goal number 4, quality education. So we have one dedicated main page for this goal, and of which if you scroll down, you will see this interactive map platform that actually shows the SDG assessment for the goal for all the Malaysian states and territories. So you can click on this state and information will pop up. Not only you will learn about the population, the GDP, but you will see written statements about the score, ratings, and trend. And this can highlight to you a lot of insights that you might not get just reading from pure data. I would like to see more students of different universities or institutions to leverage this website so that they can localize SDGs in their area. The website gives you an idea, and from there, you can create your own stories or own assessment in your own locale. This is for students. For academics, and especially members of the SDSN Malaysia, to use this website as a staging point for deepening the research about SDGs. And we would like to work with different members institutions who sees the potential. For example, leveraging our future district level SDG assessment so that they can do more research within the state. So this is particularly for the academics. For the policymakers, to leverage this platform so that they can make the wise decisions to close off any gaps of progress for SDGs. Among all these hopes I've outlined, what I mentioned particularly for policymakers is my biggest hope.